On last week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle, Basics Tender finally gets dinghy wheels installed.
Okay, this project is done.
My mom and I have a long day of traveling back to the States to visit family.
We have finally made it! Yahoo!
Meanwhile, my dad gets his electrical geek on and does a full installation of the Victron Turbo GX and the GX Touch 50.
Here's our old BMS and our new. Wow.
With our electrical system upgrade and us still in the States, we will pick up our story in the very unique town of Santa Rosalia.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you.
Well, with Lynn and Emma gone, I'm being a bachelor. Going out for takeout. It's not that I don't know how to cook. Well, it depends on who you ask. I just don't like to cook. And Lynn loves to cook. So it kind of works out for us. So today, I'm gonna do something different, go for Chinese food, get enough so I have leftovers for tomorrow. That way, I can stay busy. Pretty convenient. Here's my favorite little restaurant, and we are right there. So back to the boat, settle in. Okay, let's take a look at my dinner tonight and my lunch tomorrow. Look at this. Pineapple chicken and broccoli and beef over a bed of fried rice. I mean, take a look at this. This is 90 pesos. That's 2 meals for me. So that's 45 pesos a meal. It's a total of $4.50. So dinner, around $2. Lunch, around $2. I tipped big, because you know what? I don't know how they do it.
It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it.
Well, today's the day. The girls come back. So I figured I better make the trek up to the store, get some food in the fridge. That way, it doesn't look like I ate everything. They've been gone now almost 2 weeks. Actually, over 2 weeks. Wow, you blink your eyes, time goes by. Okay, I'm excited to get them back though. This life isn't the same without them. So there's small little tiendas all over Santa Rosalia. But the main supermarket is about a 3/4 of a mile walk. Not so bad if you go early enough in the morning. Got a little cloud cover day actually. Feels pretty good. Maybe I'll make 2 runs. Well, ladies, it's nice to have you back.
Good to be back. Yeah, it was good, but it was such a nice visit. Got to spend time with my parents, and my mom is doing so good after her surgery, so we are all pleased about that.
That's good.
We even got to spend my dad's birthday with him for once. We never get to do that.
I know, that was so much fun.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It was hilarious.
I know Compass missed you guys.
Compass, did you
Did he
miss
really
us?
though?
Oh, well, he stared at the door for a couple times.
A couple times. And then I got to spend time with my sister and my niece and goddaughter. Eat your food. Got my baby fixin'.
And that's why I send you there.
Oh, come on.
No more.
She's adorable.
No more.
They're both so
Don't
cute.
you want another Emma?
Well, we hit the jackpot. Let's just keep it at that.
Anyway, so now we're back. Get some projects done and let's get out of here.
Yep, that's what it looks like.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. The girls are back with nice, fresh visas, good for 180 days. And mine is about ready to expire. So I'm going to take the bus up to Tijuana, walk across the border, and then turn right back around, get a fresh visa, and then take the bus back. 28 hours on the bus, 14 hours each way. But it has to be done. You know, we're in Mexico, and I'm not about ready to have my visa expire. Just play by the rules, and everything runs smooth. Okay, we're 2.5 hours in. We're in Viscano. Got a ways to go. But we're pushing our way north fast. Sure is chilly here compared to the Baja side. Obviously, we're near the Pacific Ocean. You can just feel it.
We've been here for a few days now and we really haven't done too much sightseeing because it is hot. So Emma and I decided we're gonna do a girls' day and go to the museum and just kind of check out the town with some friends. It's gonna be a girls' day. Ready? So we're obviously not that good with directions, or maybe I'm blaming Teal because he told us it was down this way, which is actually, I think that's the original structure building of some sort. Anyways, the museum is not there, like he said. It's actually just right up in the main plaza next to the hospital. So we're backtracking now.
A quick stop here in Guerrero Negro. Stretch the legs a minute.
Santa Rosalia boasts French influence, particularly in its architecture. The French Compagnie de Belleo founded the town in 1884 and exploited copper mines until they were closed in 1954. They built houses and installed the metallic Iglesia de Santa Barbara, designed by Gustave Eiffel. You'll probably recognize some of his other work.
Well, this place didn't disappoint. And look at this. Packed. All the buses stop here. Standing room only in there. For good reason.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Stuffed.
Unlike many other mining sites, the industrial facilities, which are located in the heart of town, were never dismantled. Points of interest are the reverberatory furnace and a metallurgical converter, which are not accessible to the public due to safety concerns. Old locomotives, mining equipment, and other machinery are scattered throughout the town. The mining company office, La Dirección, has been converted into an industrial museum. We spent a good amount of time there looking at the old artifacts and learning about their history.
I'm assuming this room is where all the secretaries or the typists are, because there are all these desks with a huge clock and typewriters everywhere. One of every design and style. It's so cool. Amazing that this has been here for so long and they just let you walk through it. I mean, We just saw a dog that was walking through as well. Hi, come here, come here. So that's pretty amazing, and it's so well kept up. This is an amazing view. Makes me think that if there was a governor, I would be wanting this office. Okay, you girls got your smoothie. I don't see you guys getting anything.
Sorry, that was my house.
Are you getting anything?
Mm-hmm.
Well, here I am. 17.5-hour bus ride. I am officially at the border. It's getting late fast. Gonna hustle over, grab a hotel, and then come right back into Mexico tomorrow morning. Renew my visa and catch a bus and make the trip down. I don't think it'll be 17.5 hours going down. Most of the military checkpoints were searching the vehicles going northbound. So I think we'll be able to shave off 2 or 3 hours. Get into about 14, 15 hours maybe. Okay, let's do this next stage. Made it to my room. This has got to be the dumpiest room I've ever seen in my life. Let me give it a quick tour. I'm scared to even sleep on the bed. But I can't sleep on the ground because there's too many bugs. Here it is. This is what $90 gets you. $90. Look at this. There's a hole in the wall. Let's just nail a board over it. We gotta sneak up on the bugs in here because they are everywhere. Look at it. They're just crawling around in the tub. Pretty fancy. Cigarette burns on the sink. Smells like cigarettes in here. Look at this. God. Hey, that's a fancy nightstand. I like it. I think I'll be sleeping on top of this comforter. I don't know what's safer. But look at that. There's my fancy breakfast nook. Pretty scary. Okay, let's settle in for the night. Well, this place is close to the border. A little sketchy. I'm bugging out early. Had to sleep on my own towel last night. But the journey starts again this morning. I couldn't find any food in around here last night. I didn't want to wander too far, but everything was just, barred up. Kind of told me it might be a little bit of a scary neighborhood, maybe. I'm not sure. But heading back to the border, gonna cross and catch a taxi over to the bus station and a bus back to Santa Rosalia. Okay, that was easy. Quick in and out with immigrations, $30 fee, and I have another 180 days.
Hola amigos, you're gonna go to bus station to Santa Rosalia for my friend. Sorry.
Got my bus ticket. Bus out here leaves in 15 minutes. Okay, here's my home for the next 14 to 17 hours. Oh, it's the same driver. Wow.
The next day, we toured a few mines that were just across the street from the marina. With the cooler mine temperatures on a hot Santa Rosalia day, the all-girl expedition could have stayed there all afternoon. It was interesting to learn how these subterranean tunnels were dug into the hillside by such a diversified workforce, chasing the valuable minerals of this region.
Okay, I made it. Back to the boat. That one took 16 and a half hours. Or 17 and a half, I'm not sure. Too tired to do the math. It is midnight, well after midnight. And I'll sneak into the boat and quick shower, I think, then crawl into bed. I'm beat.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a like and remember to subscribe to our channel. These videos are made possible by the support of our amazing patrons. Join our crew if you can. Now that the crew is back together with new visas, we are ready to finish up a few more projects before working our way towards Bahia de Los Angeles. Come back next week to see what we get done. See you then!